Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to blend photos on Canva. This is very easy. What you need to do, just go to the upload section which you can see here, click on that, and here you need to select your two photos which are going to blend. So in my case I'm going to blend two photos which I have these two, as you can see. So I'm going to put these photos and make them blend. So select the photos which you want to blend and drag them here, so they will get uploaded and then we can easily blend them. So our first photo is this one, so we will drag this up and place it here. Okay, so let me just resize it first. So this is looking good. So now we will going to add our second photo. So before that we need to click on add page option, and on the second page we will add our second photo. So this photo I want to add, I will just place it here, and again I want to resize it, so we will resize it like this, and our two photos are now successfully added. Now we are going to place the gradient effect on them, and how we can do that, just go to the element section and here we need to type gradient. So gradient I have typed, and then we need to click on see all. So after clicking on this you will get to see many gradients. Many of them are paid, but some of you can see are free to use. So this one I'm going to use, so I will just drag this right here, and again we can easily move it according to us. So I want to place it like this, okay, or like this. So I'm going to make our gradient like this, so I will just resize it according to my need, and after resizing it we can just place it here like this. Okay, so I will place it here. So again we need to click on anywhere else on the project, and the gradient is successfully added. So we need to add many gradients like this, because only then the photos will get blend easily. So we will add many gradients. So what you need to do, just hold Alt key on your keyboard on the gradient. Okay, I have selected the gradient. I need to left click on my mouse and hold the Alt key and just move your cursor, and as you can see we have successfully copied the gradient, and this is how we need to add many gradients till the photo look good. As you can see, I have added 4 to 5 gradients on a single photo, and our next photo we are going to do the same steps, but this time this is going to be easy. So what we can do, just select the all gradients like this and press Ctrl C on your keyboard, and now we will go to our second photo, and here we will going to hit Ctrl V on keyboard, and there you go, we got our gradients as it is. So we can easily flip it up like this, and we will just place it here. So our photos are ready to blend now, but before we blend them we need to download them first. So we will press on share, and here you will find the download option. We need to click on this, and then we have to download the photos individually. So I'm going to download the first photo first. Okay, so I will click on download. So our two blended photos are downloaded, and we are again going to upload them on Canva. So I will again have to drag them to the upload folder like this, and here we need to add the page again. So I will add page, and now we can easily blend our two photos. So in first step we added the gradient effect on them, and on the second step we are going to blend them up. So how we can do that, just press the first photo like this, and I will place it here, and now we need to add our second photo. Okay, so I have to resize it again. So after placing the photos we need to click on our second photo like this, and here we will find this option. We have to click on the transparency option, and here we need to set this on 50. Our photo is now little bit visible and we can easily blend it, but before that we have to download this photo one more time. So we will click on share, and we have to download our third page. So I will hit on download, and this is the third page I want to download. So I will click on that, and again I have to hit on download. So I will again go to the download folder. Here we will find our photo which we have currently downloaded. Again drag to the upload folder, and now we will add page again. So we have to do these steps couple of times, and after resizing it we have to click on the photo. Then we will going to click on edit photo, then go to adjust, and here we need to play with these settings. So what we're gonna do, just make the brightness to -50, then we will increase the contrast to 100, then we will going to increase the saturation to again 100, and then we will increase the clarity to 50. So as you can see we have successfully blended our two photos, and if you like this video please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.